So how you can make $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing promoting other people's products. So as you can see here on my screen, right, I just got another $1,000 US today in commissions. But let me explain to you behind the scenes, right, what exactly you have to do step by step to start having similar or exact same results. So in this case, I was promoting a high ticket affiliate program which is paying, as you can see over here, right, $1,000 to $2,000 per sale, which means if you have 5 sales per month for $2,000, you're at sweet spot of 10,000 US dollars in income as an affiliate promoting other people's high quality products. So how I'm doing it, let me show you over here, right? Over here you can see I'm using email marketing, right, combined with Google Ads. What am I doing? I will show you later in the next slide. But over here you can see, right, I'm sending out automated follow-up emails. Why I'm doing this? Because I want to get more sales, of course, right? I'm sending it out to my list. So for example, right, I can set automated emails which you don't have to write. It's all done for you. Once we work together one-on-one, you get emails done for me, templates for you with your own affiliate links, of course. As you can see over here, right, you can set it up which day you want to set it out, and the system is going to pre-design them with AI tools to send it out automatically, right? So you can sleep and you're gonna get sale notification on your phone like me, right? So it doesn't matter where in the world you are. What matters is to having someone that will guide you through one-on-one, step-by-step, hand-holding you to get done for you results. Okay, great, we have this. Now, how exactly I got this? Let me show you over here. Let's go straight into it. All right, so you can see over here, right, what I do. What is my strategy? Most gurus on ClickBank or everywhere else, they tell you set up a landing page, send them to a Facebook ad, Google ads, YouTube ads, right, and send them straight to that page, which doesn't work anymore. It's outdated. That's how you're gonna get your account shut down and you will lose lots of money on ads. So I will not do that. So what do I do differently? What do we do differently here with me? We choose targeted traffic. Again, I use Google Ads because we are looking for buyers, right? We are looking for buyers leads, buyers clicks. We want to monetize every click we are getting, right? So we build a small opt-in page with a video, right? And then give the person option to buy a low ticket product upfront for a $50 to $100 per month, something like that, right? And then send them to the automated email follow-up sequence where they can purchase $1,000 or $2,000 product later on, of course, as an upsell, right? So we are also doing this, right? What we are doing in this case, let me show you over here. So in this case, I will open another slide for you so you can see, right, what we are doing. What is so special about this method? Okay, let's look at this. We have a traffic, right? So traffic are audiences, or audiences, right? Audience of people. Now we can call this to a traffic, okay? So in this case, Google Ads. Now what you're doing is you have a rented land and you have an own asset. What do I mean by that? For example, on Google, Facebook, and YouTube, you're renting media. Basically, you're buying ads, but it's not your own platform. If they shut you down, right, your account, you cannot make money tomorrow. So what you need to do, what you need to smartly think better, more wiser, to build your own email list on the back end. And with this thing, you can wake up. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, press the button to send one email that is already written for you, and you make $2,000 a day, or $500 or $1,000 per day in that day. Of course. Let me do the math. Let's do the math. You can see over here, right? Let's look. Imagine this. Okay. You have 10,000 people on your email list, right? Let's say not even 1% buy. Let's say 0.5%, not half of 1% will buy. So it means how many people out of 10,000 people? 50 people, 50 sales in one day. You earn, let's say, minimum $50. Like can be ClickBank, can be any other MaxWeb, any other low ticket offer. So for every email sent, you could potentially earn $2,500 per day in a day, right? Like when I send out the email, right? I would potentially make $2,000, $1,000, or $500 that day. So it really depends what high quality products you're promoting, what is your email like, and once it's automated, you can save so much time and stress. It's no stress. Why? Because you don't have to be scared. What is going to happen if Google shuts you down, if Facebook shut down your accounts, if YouTube decline your ad, if everything get in the red, rejected, all right? You can still wake up in the morning, send any email or any ClickBank offer that will get you shut down on Facebook and still make money, right? Very important thing. With high ticket affiliate marketing, of course, you can make one sale $2,000, one sale $500 a sale, right? But again, we are talking about paid traffic combined with free traffic, which works really, really, really well. As you can see here, I've shown you before, $2,000 per day, $1,000 per day, every day, high ticket commissions, right? And the beauty of this is that you don't have to be alone. It's a whole community, as a group, working together, helping each other to grow. Because if you get paid, I get paid. It's a win-win situation, right? That's why I love this system with high ticket affiliate offers, because if I help you make money, in return the company also pays me money, right? So we work together, we push each other up to get great results. All right, now what we can do, if you're serious, if you're someone who have minimum $500 to $5,000, right, and you want to make $10,000 per month, $5,000 per month, I don't know what the goal is, we can jump on an Unstack 15-minute session for free. So it means you and I will jump on a Skype call, maybe took WhatsApp call, chat, whatever you prefer, and have a conversation in 15 minutes about who you are, where you want to go, what is your goal, what is your budget, and what you're trying to actually achieve with affiliate marketing, okay? So we can find out why you're stuck and what you have to change, right? Because maybe you're just this close to having the results. Maybe you're just this close to breaking through, you know? I had lots of people who were just this close, but they quit, they gave up, right? Because they were scared of investing $2,000 or $5,000 or $1,000, right, US, to have results. If you start a traditional business, brick and mortar business like a restaurant or hotel, you have to pay 100,000 euros, $50,000 or more to begin with. I mean, we are not even talking about advertising cost and the return on investment, right? So it's very cheap compared to traditional business starting online now as you're watching this video. Okay, so let me know after watching this video if you are really serious to get results. Okay, now the next thing what you can do is we can connect with me one-on-one. So what you can do first, please, is click that button subscribe. Why? Because you get more helpful tips and get notification whenever I make new video for you. And next thing is you can connect with me one-on-one on Instagram, links below again, Facebook, WhatsApp, or email. Again, another option is, which I really suggest you, to join my private email list. Why? Because on that email list, I'm daily sharing tips that are working for me, not just for others, but for me, for other people just like you. New hot products with affiliate marketing, how to run ads, what to do with email list, what exactly basically to do so that you can have a stress-free, sustainable passive income online with affiliate marketing, promoting other people's high quality products, of course. So again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to connect with me after watching this video and click the subscribe button for more helpful tips.